now we're gonna talk about the loans you can wrap and the ones you can't. And it's important we know this because we don't wanna get in trouble in any way. So first off, loans you can and cannot wrap. Loans you cannot wrap. So we cannot do a wrap loan on an FHA loan, right? We cannot create a wrap transaction on an FHA loan, right? We can't do it. Can't do a wraparound mortgage. Now, you can essentially take it subject to, but that's a gray area and I don't want to teach it, right? So you can't do wraps or even do subject tos on FHAs. You can't do on negative amortization loans. Now, back in the 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they did what's called neg am loans, negative amortization, where they give you a super low interest rate. You know, market interest rate is 6%, 5%. They give you a 1.2% interest rate. That means it reduces your payments down to ridiculous. And they take the difference between that payment of say $800, or let's call it $1,000 and $2,000. They take that $1,000 and its negative amortization, it's tacked on to the back of the loan. How stupid is that, right? So they're not reducing their mortgage balance, they're increasing their mortgage balance. So people are buying $1 million houses, $800,000 houses, and they have $1,500 a month payments. And they're stacking on $3,000 and $4,000 a month every month to the back of their mortgage. Well, we can't do transactions with those type of loans. We can't do what's called HELOCs. HELOC, home equity line of credit, where someone has purchase money, they purchase a property with a home equity line of credit. You can't do that. Or the USDA government loan, we cannot wrap those type of loans, okay? USDA government loan. So those are few and far between. The one that's really sucks is the FHA loan. There is a lot of FHA loans. You're gonna meet a lot of sellers that have FHA loan. Not a lot, probably about 30% are gonna have an FHA loan, and you can't, I would not wrap those and wholesale those because it specifically states in their loan documents you cannot do that, and I wouldn't want to play. I don't like playing in the gray area. I like playing either black or white. That's it. Either it's bad or white, and I don't go in the bad area. I only stay in the good area. I don't want to be in the gray area, right? So I would stay out of wrapping it. It's okay. There's plenty of other opportunities with these loans that you can wrap. VA loans, you can wrap VA loans. There's tons of VA loans. Conventional loan fixed rate. So most of the mortgages, 90% of the mortgages out there are conventional loans on a fixed rate. Or they have an interest-only loan portion of that. You can wrap those, no problem. You can wrap adjustable rate loans as well, as long as you disclose the adjustments in the note and it's acceptable to the buyer. Right? So if it's going to adjust a 0.5 point a year and they're going to hold on to it for 5 years, and their max exposure, is 25 basis points, right? 2.5 points in that, they might say, okay, you know what? I'm willing to take the risk if it actually goes up. So adjustable loans might be in this rate. Jumbo loans, you can do wrap on jumbo loans, just like we talked about in the luxury home type of deal. So these are the loans you can't wrap: FHA, negative AM, HELOC, home equity line of credit, USDA government loans, loans you can wrap, or VA loans, conventional loan, interest-only loans, adjustable rate loans, and jumbo loans. Marshall Field, buying real estate is not only the best and the quickest way, the safest way, but the only way to become wealthy. Right? That's what he's saying. The only way. Marshall Field is a multi-billionaire, right? Buying real estate is not only the best way, the quickest way, and the safest way, but the only way to become wealthy. That's pretty strong. So if you're looking at real estate right now, you're doing deals in real estate, you're crushing it in real estate, and you're in the right space, which is good. So stay where you're at.